Good day, YouTube. This is Captain Darren. My call sign is N4VFR. I received my matching transformer from 05 because remember in my previous video, I'll leave the link above, is when I was replacing the antenna. I disassembled everything and I found that there was a crack, and the crack was where they were mounted. So I called Tom, and he has very good, excellent customer service. So he called me back. He said, yeah, go ahead and send it in. And I sent it in and got it replaced. But in this video, I had a special request for one of my subscribers, and he wanted to know what is this antenna resonant on all the amateur radio bands, and we're going to take a look at that using my Rig Expert Zoom 35. Stay tuned. Alrighty, I got the Rig Expert AA35 antenna analyzer, and let's take a look. Let's go to the frequency and function. Let's start at 160 meters, and we're going to do an antenna sweep. Let's see. Let me start. Alright, looks like we're in the center of the band at 1.9 megahertz on 160 meters. And I'm doing a sweep, and you see that the line, it's well above 10 on the SWR scale. Yeah, right here. So I'm going to zoom out. That's maximum zoom. And let's zoom in. So, yeah, of course, 160 meters, it's not going to work with your built-in antenna tuner. You'll need to do an external antenna tuner or a different antenna. Let me go into the, push this button here. Okay. Right now we're at 160 meter band, and this is, I believe, the ohms reading here, 138 ohms. Okay, stop. Now let's look at the 80 meter band. So function, frequency range, function, and let's do down arrow. Okay, that's 80 meters. That's the center of the frequency. It's 3.75 megahertz. We're going to do a sweep. SWR and sweep. See, again, it's very high. It's the yellow line right there. And go to all, and then you can see the ohms. I believe it's read right here as 45 ohms. And it shows you the SWR right here, 9.3. So that's why my built-in antenna tuner on the ICOM IC7610 would not tune on 80 meters. Now we're going to go to the 40 meter band. Function, down arrow. The center frequency is 7.15 megahertz. We're going to hit SWR chart and begin the test. There's a sweep right there. It's just below 3. The minimum SWR, we're looking at 2.6 at the center frequency of 7294. Because the SWR is below 3 to 1, I'm able to use the built-in antenna tuner on the ICOM 7610. Here's more data here. We're looking at SWR 2.7, 35 ohms. Okay. Next band, let's go, is the 30 meter band. Center frequency again is 10.125 megahertz. Let's do the sweep. If it's about 3.0 and it's resonant at 10.100 megahertz. Here's more information. 3.1, you get 151 ohms, and we have a loss of 5.9 dB. Okay, keep in mind that we're connected straight to the antenna via, there's the coax up here on top, right there. Okay, it's an RG213 at 150 feet long. Next band is your function 20 meters. Center frequency is 14.175 megahertz. I'm going to do the antenna sweep. We have an SWR 3.2. Its center frequency is 13,343. Give you more information. We got a SWR 3.4. That means, I'm going to have a hard time tuning on 20 meters. But if you've seen my previous video, I'll link the link above on this portion right now. You can see after I installed the 0543 foot antenna, I was able to tune flat. So we have a ohms of 29 ohms and a dB loss of 5.26 dB. Moving on to the 17 meter band function. 17 meters, center frequency is 18.118. We're going to do a sweep now. It's looking good. You got a SWR 2.1 centered at resonant frequencies 18.072 megahertz. Giving you more information here. SWR is 2.1. We have a 9 dB loss with 25 ohms. Okay. Frequency function. Let's go 15 meters. Center frequency 21.225. We're doing a sweep on that band. We're looking at a SWR 1.54 resonant on that frequency, 21.351 megahertz. I'm going to show you more information here. We have 1.57 SWR, 32 ohms, and we got 13 dB loss. Okay. 12 meters. Center frequency 24.94 megahertz. Let's do a sweep here. Looks like it's straight across at 2.1. It's resonant at 24.894 megahertz. Here's more detailed information here. 2.1 SWR with 25 ohms and loss of 9.11 dB. Okay, frequency function 10 meters, 28.850. I'll do an SWR sweep. The minimum SWR, we're looking at 2.4 resonant frequencies, 21.666 megahertz. Here's more detailed information. SWR looking at 2.4. If you want to know, that's the frequencies it's 2.4 at. We have 48 ohms, salute, and we have a cable loss of 7.61 dB. I'm going to show you something. Let's go to look at the whole spectrum of the amateur radio band. So I'm going to go frequency, function to all. So now it's focusing on the center of the ham band. It's 17.500 megahertz. We're going to do a sweep. You can see the ups and downs. Alright, so right now it's resonant at 1.3 at a frequency of 33.31 megahertz, and you can see the peaks and valleys. If I were to zoom in, you can zoom in and it shows you the SWR here, and you can go left and right. Alright, so here is a 21400, close to that, 21400 with a 1.55 SWR reading. Here's a low peak here. This is that the lowest part is 1.3, 33.3 megahertz. I operate mostly on 40 meters, so 40 meters. Right around here, around the 40 meters, it's high SWR, that's why I'm going to need an antenna tuner. 7, it's currently right there's the SWR, 2.49 at 7200 megahertz. Well, this video was a request from Ernest Wilson. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name is Captain Darren. My call sign is N4VFR. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Give me a like, leave me a comment, please. Till next video, 73s, and have a great evening.